Program directors, you are doing some amazing work with our youth. And I love seeing the accomplishments, the graduations, the field trips, the workshops that you guys post on LinkedIn and Instagram. So my name is Uncle Al. My students call me Uncle Al. I launched my second career as a film educator in 2017 at a high school here in Indy. We made our first movie called Trapped in 2018. The demand for our digital media education grew exponentially. Oh my gosh. Today, we've taught digital media to thousands of kids throughout America. As an educator and creator, I'm always thinking, how can we at Perfect Education add value to your programs and what you're doing? Thumbnails, it came to me. Thumbnails. These are basic yet powerful tools that you can use to enhance your image, your views, and your credibility. So this Saturday, we are offering a free 99 virtual workshop. And that will be for you along with your students to design thumbnails and movie posters. Join us for a hands-on session where you'll spend about 60 minutes with me mastering the techniques of designing powerful thumbnails and movie posters. And here's the best part. All you need is this thing right here, right? That's right, the power to create jaw-dropping thumbnails for YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, or whatever else eye-catching posters that you want for your school or whatever is right at your fingertips. Register now for this free 60-minute session this Saturday. Click the link below to get started. Let's turn your ideas into visual masterpieces together, right? Don't miss out on this incredible free opportunity. Did I say free? Yeah. Register your students for this Saturday, right? Did I say free? I said free. See you Saturday.